Hello everyone, this is the mother of 4 girls, and today's video maglilinis ako ng vacuum like what I said the last time on my video, that I'm gonna clean up my vacuum since it was really dirty. But now I'm gonna dump the dirt out, and then I'm gonna clean it up. Okay, so see you in a bit. I'm gonna clean it. Guys, here is my vacuum. As you can see, it's really full. So I'm gonna dump it and clean it. You know, I'm not gonna really clean up because it's already late here in the evening and still doing some chores. So yeah, it's time for me to put this camera down so that I can empty this vacuum. All right. Oh guys, I have some plastic here. So over here. So now I'm gonna empty my vacuum. So this is really easy because I'm just like just gonna dump it out. I'm not sure if you can see me, but what I'm gonna do is just removing this up. That's just like that, and then just dump this out. And I'm gonna also, since I'm gonna, what is this, I'm gonna, I can also remove this one here. So you can see this is really full of dust. So I'm gonna dump that here on the plastic. I'm gonna wash that, guys. I'm gonna wash and just remove that here. You need to remove that here, all the filter. And I'm gonna wipe this one here, but first I'm gonna dump this one here. Just put it back inside in this plastic over here, or I gotta get a new plastic. So let me get a new plastic, guys. Be right back. Okay guys, nakakuha na tayo ng isa pang plastic. So what we're gonna do is just dump the dust over here. I'm not sure if you can see me, but I'm just gonna empty that what is this here, just dumping here. Okay, you can see it's really lots of hair. Not sure if you can see me, but I'm just trying. Okay guys, na-dump na natin yung ating, so kukunin na natin yung mga hair na na-stuck dyan, no? It's a lot of hair. So, just grab it. It's really dusty. It's really full, so you can just open this part right here. And open the top. Oh, look at that. Oh, it's really full. So you can see it's really full, guys. So just close this bottom right here. Need to close it. This is the easy one. This is a shark. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna use my hands to do this, guys, so because it's kind of hard. Oh, this is really full. Yucky guys, yucky. Oh, kung nakikita nyo guys, but I'm just grabbing this out. I know I should use gloves, but I don't have gloves, guys. So I just take, dump that thing there. There. So now I already dumped that one, and I'm gonna clean up this one here. And then I'm gonna wash the foam, the filter, guys. I need to wash it. So let's rinse this one here, and maybe wait for a couple, parang tilted. We're gonna wait for a couple minutes, a couple days, to make sure na dry talaga, o pwede natin gamitan ng yung parang dryer. Ida-dry natin siya kasi pag wet, if it's wet, the more gonna be when you gonna vacuum the floor, and then you using some powder, something, they have a fresh carpet, and if it's wet that you use this one, the more gonna be stuck somewhere in here. So it's better if you wait a couple days before you use the or you can wipe it with the paper towel like that. So let's go wash the I'm gonna drop this one here, dump this one here, and then I'm gonna wipe this one here since really dusty. As you can see, it's really dusty. So I'm going to wipe this one here, wipe that one, and then I'm gonna wash my filter. I put my filter right here, and I'm gonna clean up this one here too. So let's go clean up this one first. As you can see, it's really dusty here, so we're gonna clean up that thing first, and then we're gonna clean up this inside here. So yeah, so we're gonna clean it up, guys. Okay, we're gonna clean up this bag. Okay, so let's do it. Okay guys, nandito na tayo sa baba. So dito tayo maglilinis. Yan yung ating sink, yung ating dirty area, yung lang natin ito. Hugasan na natin yan siya dito, guys, no? Yan. Yan siya na kayo dyan, yung aming labahan. Ayan, dito tayo natin siya ng pita natin siya ng sabon paglinis niya, no? Tapos i-dry lang natin siya mabuti. Yan siya, guys. Yan na natin siya para maging malinis. Hugasan lang natin, hugasan natin siya, guys. Tapos, kailangan natin to i-dry mabuti, guys, no? Okay, para hindi didikit yung mga dumi dito. Ginagawa ko lang to, guys, once in a blue moon. Hindi naman siya. Pagkita ko siya ng duming-dumi na talaga, ayan, nugasan ko yan, guys. Nugasan ko yan siya, guys. Brush na natin to. Ayan. Brush nyo lang yan dyan, guys. Para maging malinis. Tapos, maghintay kayo ng ilang days bago gamitin ko para make sure na tuyo-tuyo talaga siya, guys. Tuyo talaga siya ba? Ayan. Ayan, guys. Malinis na siya, guys. Siya. Punasan lang natin siya para matuyo. Yan, ano na siya. Malinis na siya, guys. So, ang gagawin natin, patuyuin natin ito, no? Kaya lang siya. Yan siya. Pwede rin natin punasan. So, meron tayo ditong mga pangpunas na pwede natin gamitin. Ano pa rin natin siya, guys, to make sure, ginagamitan ko to ng dryer ba, hair dry, to make sure na dry talaga siya, guys. Ginagamitan ko siya ng hair dry para make sure na dry. Kasi pag ginamit mo to na basa, sumisip-sip yung mga dust dito sa gilid-gilid. Kaya, make sure na punasan natin ng mabuti or make sure na dry siya. Kasi, ano siya, tawag nito, dumidikit yung mga dust, pumapasok kung saan-saan. So, ayan, guys. Ano naman natin yung, hindi ko napapakita sa inyo, lalabhan ko lang yung filter. So, yan na yan, guys, yung ating vlog for today. Papakita ko sa inyo na sa susunod nating vlog, papakita ko sa inyo na malinis na yung ating vacuum at ready to use again. Alright? So, I hope nagustuhan tong aking video for today. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell para updated ka sa aking mga bagong vlog. Papatuyuin lang natin to. So, thank you so much for watching. Bye for now. Ayan. Lagay ko na to dito, guys. Bye, guys!